Okay, solving for x. Now, um, this first one, it tells us area. So we know we're using area formula in some way, shape, or form. So we know base times height is our area, or how we figure out area for this thing, which is a parallelogram. So technically, it's going to be 8 times x, or just 8x, equals the area, which is 96. Solve this, you just divide by 8. X gives you 12. Okay, that one's pretty easy. This next one, once again, parallelogram. So what do we know? This is in the angle spot, so we know the opposite angles are congruent. If two things are congruent, you can set them equal to each other. X plus 12 equals 5x minus 4. From here, you just solve like normal. First, get rid of the 1x. You have 12 equals 4x minus 4. Get rid of the 4 by adding it to both sides. Last but not least, divide by 4. X gives you 4. This next one is a trapezoid. So once again, these are giving me area. So I know I'm going to have to use my area formula. For area formula for trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times base 1 plus base 2. Okay, we know that equals area. So 1/2 first the height. So 1/2, the height here is x, base 1 is 18 plus base 2 is 12. If you add 18 plus 12, that's 30, so it's going to be 1/2 x times 30 equals, 180. The next thing, you know 1/2, you know x, you know 30. So let's multiply the numbers we know. We know 1/2, we know 30. So technically this is going to just be 15x equals 180. Divide by 15. X gives me, X gives me 12. Okay. This other one's a little bit trickier. So it's going to be 1/2 the height, which in this case is 11. And this is going to be x plus 16 equals 220. Alright, so we know that we first have to do this. We have to multiply the numbers we do know because we can't get inside this parenthesis because it's technically x plus 16. So we're going to have to distribute inside of it, but first let's combine the numbers together. 1/2 of 11 is going to be 5.5. X plus 16 equals 220. From here you have two options. You either can divide by 5.5 on both sides, or we can distribute the 5.5. I'm just going to distribute it. I know it's a little bit extra work, but I'm going to stay consistent when it comes to solving problems like this. So hold up. So when I distribute it, you should get 5.5x plus 88 gives me 220. Okay. From there, it's a simple solve. You just subtract 88. And then you get 5.5x equals 112 divided by 5.5. X will give you this should be 112. No. That should be 132. I don't know why my calculator told me otherwise. Okay, so then we divide by 5.5, which equals 24. Sorry about that. It's kind of weird when I wasn't getting a whole number. So 24 is your answer. Now, this next one I didn't label it. I should have. I do apologize. But technically, this is a mid segment. Okay. What we know about the mid segment of a triangle is it's half the base. Okay. So essentially, what we had to do is we had to take this and we had to make it equal to this. The only way to take this and make it equal to this, since it's 1/2, this is half of what this is, you have to multiply this by 2 because 2 halves makes a whole. So if we take the 2 and we multiply x minus 6, we then can set it equal to 5x minus 30. You distribute the 2, it becomes 2x minus 12 equals 5x minus 30. Then you add 30 to both sides. Becomes 2x plus 18 equals 5x. Subtract 2x from both sides. You get 3x equals 18. Divide by 3. X gives you 6. Same idea over here. We need to multiply this part by 2 in order to set it equal to this part. So it becomes 2 times 2x plus 18 equals 9x plus 6. Distribute the 2, becomes 4x plus 36 equals 9x plus 6. Subtract 4x, subtract 4x. Subtract 6, subtract 6. So you get 30 equals 5x. Divide by 5. X gives you 6 again. Last but not least, let's flip to the back. Now once again, these are mid-segments, so what we know about mid-segments of a trapezoid is it's actually 1/2 the bases added together. So we had to add the bases together and multiply it by 1/2. Once we've done that, we get what the mid-segment equals, so we can set this little equation here equal to that number. So it's going to be 24 plus 18 times 1/2, which is 1/2, 42. Half of that is 21, so we'll get 10x plus 12 equals 21. We subtract 12 from both sides. You get 10x equals 9. Divide by 10. X gives you 0.9. This one's a little bit trickier, but you're going to do the same exact thing. Okay? They tell you what the mid-segment is now, so we can just do this. It's going to be 1/2 18 plus 4x plus 6 equals 36. Okay? So first let's combine like terms. 18 and 6 makes 24, so you get 24 plus 4x equals 36. Distribute the 1/2, it becomes 12 plus 2x equals 36. You first subtract the 12. You get 2x equals 24. Divide by 2. X equals 12. And that's how you solve for x in all of these.